Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to share with you guys my favorite jollof noodles recipe with fried eggs. Please relax and watch till the very end. For this recipe, we need 2 packets of noodles. I'll be using this brand by Indomie. Next, we need 1 bell pepper, 1 hot pepper, and half bulb of onion. Here we have 2 raw eggs, and I have half a cup of diced carrot. The first thing we are going to do is to blend the hot pepper, the bell pepper, and the half bulb of onion. Don't add water while blending them. After blending, set the mixture aside. Then into a bowl, crack in the 2 eggs and beat until the egg whites and the egg yolks are well combined. Now we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, vegetable oil, any oil of your choice, into a heated pan. When it heats up, which takes less than 1 minute, pour in the eggs and let it fry on low to medium heat. When the egg is set, just flip it so that it can also brown and fry on the other side. After about 2 minutes, remove the egg and transfer into a plate and set the egg aside. Before we dive straight into making the noodles, the cooking set I'm using in today's video is the UTaste silicone utensil set. This is a set of 5 high heat resistant food grade silicone spoons, and they are in the color aqua green. There are so many other colors you can choose from. One mistake that I've seen a lot of people make is using metal spoon in their non-stick pan. Please don't ever do that, because that will scratch the coating of your non-stick pan. Always use a food grade silicone when cooking in a non-stick pan. I love the handle. The handle is long enough to keep your hand away from the heat. The edges are very flexible and make scraping foods and flipping foods very easy. The thing that stands out for me is the seamless integrated design, and this makes it very easy for cleaning. If you are looking to get one for yourself, please check the link in my comment section or in the description box of the video. Now let's continue with our noodles. So into the same pot you used to fry the egg, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and pour the blended pepper, onion and hot pepper mixture and fry for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, pour in about 1 cup of water and mix everything together. When you open your pack of noodles, you'll find some seasonings inside. Just add the seasonings and mix everything together. Next, add the 2 noodles, add about half cup of water, cover and let it cook on medium heat for between 3 to 5 minutes. Always open the pot and stir at intervals just to make sure that the noodles are very well separated and mixed with the sauce. This was after 4 minutes. Here we are going to add the diced carrots and mix everything together. We're going to cook for 1 more minute just to give time for the carrots to get soft a little bit, also for the water in the noodles to dry up completely, and then it is ready. You can serve this with the eggs that we fried, or you can boil your own eggs if you prefer boiled eggs. You can also add plantain, fried plantain by the side. This is so good. Be sure to try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turns out. Thank you guys so much, so much for watching till this very point. If you did, thank you for watching till this point, and please like the video, comment, let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this method, share the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.